Ang Dox Penyempo. Sana all!
It's yung baka ng Andox.
Nga pa hindi pa natin titikman yun.
At saka yung bago nilang Crispy.
Meron? Ano?
Oo, pero doon yung titinda sa may simbahan.
Layo, ba't yan? Hindi available sa ibang...
You are the roamer.
May ganito pala sa naubago dito. Bakit ako
That's right. I'm the guy you want on your team.
Best place is sa Laguna.
Order.
It's so nice to have a dad.
Words are the most powerful magic of all. You've never met a an unyielding soul, an undying will, and
Sweet! Ang roll niya yun, oh.
Nabalik sa Tarosa?
Isuk.
Oo, meron nga.
Sik! 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 Sik!
Sik!
Sik! Sik! Sik!
Summer ang tank? Ay, summer ang ano?
Ikaw yung Cormer?
Enemy minions will arrive in 5 seconds. I trained 10 years for this match. All forces, move out!
deepest darkness reflects eternity.
Parang sinusunod siya ng
The mediocre imagine,
Uy, nag-vlog ako po.
but the great create them.
Ayun, niliaan siya ng
First blood.
Ito na ito po, eh. Parang gusto ko na ito. Pagkamit ko ngayon.
Yun, nakaano na siya. Tuwan-tuwa Dorothy.
Huwag ka na mag-bike, eh.
Sino yung jungler natin?
Anything can be known.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Spectacular. Appreciate it.
Commendable, ah.
The mediocre imagine taboos, but the great create.
Yung ano ko ng crane, yung yung Regent Plant, yung may Torres, yung kalaban. Kaya tuloy sa panghiling.
Killing spree. An ally has been slain. Killing spree. Good stuff.
Pati nito ko rin.
The deepest darkness reflects.
Ito, itong ha?
Hinihulog siya. Ibig sabihin, bumaba siya ng
Oo, kaya pala. Kaya pala ang sunod ang hayop ito.
tinuro sa kanya yung aso.
Rampage. Good stuff. An enemy has been slain. Rampage. Double kill.
Kasi no,
Ang galing niya yung Ayun.
Shut down.
Pagpunula ang dami.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Godlike!
Parang gusto ko na ito, Korea. Ito yung sabi sa'yo, Korea. Yung sabi mo ako.
An ally has been slain. The Overlord and Titan have fallen. Tower shields have been shattered. Catapults moving out.
Ay, hindi
An enemy has been slain. Enemy double kill.
O, ingat, ingat.
Abandon mercy, and you will be less strong.
Ano, ba't mo ba pa
You
yun?
have slain an enemy. Legendary.
Imagine taboos, but the great
Oo nga, ikaw yung
Double
forerunner.
Wala
kill.
parang.
Awesome.
Push te.
Diba, papabutan mo nga yun.
Enemy killing spree. Your team has destroyed a turret. Your turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. Legendary. You thought radiance. Tap it to damage, slow, and reveal nearby enemies, even if they are in the brush.
Oo nga, umit, ikaw nga ko.
as darkness reflects eternity.
Enemy rampage.
Ayusin na natin muna yun.
Shut down.
Bye na.
Puro natin mamaya kasi kagagawa tayo.
Kaya mo ba ito, boy?
gusto ko na kasi parang na ano na laban dito. Kaya parang
Killing spree. An enemy has been slain. Fabulous. An ally has been slain. Legendary. Good stuff.
Kaya,
Darkness reflects eternity.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Legendary! Spectacular! Ally has been slain! Legendary! Double kill! Legendary!
oo, boy.
Shut down tayo, boy.
Pinilit ko.
Shut down!
Yan eh. O, konti na buhay ko talaga.
Ate,
Dahil ko may puro yung inaano ko, isang nag-heal. Ay, isa tang, ang kumuna tangin.
galing ate mo.
Spectacular!
Ito
team
yung
has
sinasabi ko
destroyed
sa'yo,
a
yung sobrang
turret.
sakit kahit yung...
Strong.
Nag-heal siya, sabi ko, ba't yung umaano lang ko eh, hindi ko yung naglundag, pero ang kapin niya, tapos nag-heal pa. Bakit binasa ko yung skill, kahit kaya nagkakaroon siya ng shield kapag gagamit yan ng skill.
Deepest darkness
Bibili ko na natin eh.
eternity.
Ang sarap yung gawing main ko. Wala kayo doon?
Can't be known.
Makulat eh. O yan, pag-inuin mo nga muna yan.
Prito yung galunggong ah.
Rampage. Shut down. The Overlord and Tyrant have been enhanced. Cannons moving out. Enemy double retreat.
Legacy is strong.
Teleportation.
Meron ko.
Wala pa na.
Anything can be known.
Tilapia, wala. Galing ka. Tatagin-tagin. Galunggong yung ulit. Ang galing tilapia.
Bayan mo.
Wala. Pinapakita lang ni
Assemble.
Oy, ingat! Oy, bak! Iklit lang! Ito pa yung isa! Baka na yun!
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Sayang,
An
lilikuran
ally
sana
has
natin.
been slain.
Wala pa naman. Iba natin.
Your turret
Binibenta
has
mo
been
ata kami
destroyed. Your turret has been destroyed.
Yawa!
Our high ground tower is under attack. Turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain.
Reflex.
Your turret has been destroyed. Our high ground tower is under attack. Enemy unstoppable. Shut down.
Tanga! Galunggong eh! Tilapia sabi eh! Tatang... No? Yung comment? Ayan. Tingnan mo.
Ayun, bakit nga ba tilapia nga sabi ko? Tanga!
Ang tangi eh. Ilabas mo na yung kain. Dahil nga ba tilapia nga sabi? Ito kain. Ipa-check mo kay Dimo.
Can be known.
Palitin daw siya.
Charge!
Sabi lang ano.
Ingat!
An ally has been slain.
Uy, hintayin mo ako.
Enemy double kill. An enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy. Killing spree. Double kill. Your team has destroyed a turret. You have been slain. Double kill.
Binigay ko!
Hit! Push up Ray!
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Yung mid naman, Kri. Isa yung mid.
Your turret has been destroyed. Our high ground tower is under attack.
Masakit na ba madami ko, Kri?
The deepest darkness reflects eternity.
Let lang.
Our high ground tower
Huwag
is
pumalo
under
pag
attack.
maraming mga yun.
The deepest darkness reflects
Ito, patay ka.
An enemy has been stopped.
Ano lang, ano? Ano lang.
An enemy has been slain.
Hindi, habol, patay yan. Ayan, ayan,
Our crystal is under attack.
ayan, ayan, ayan. Nakagat ka eh.
An enemy enemy has been slain.
Hindi talaga yung mga isip yata yan kung Koreano. Nagkakasasasin na yan.
Dali.
Mercy. And you accept.
Mamaya!
Has been slain. Slain an enemy. Aced.
Marapos tayo, guys!
Itlib! Ay, hindi ako makadaan. Ayun pala.
Humbak! Marami.
Ano yung ginagawa ko?
Charge.
Ito, patay ito!
An enemy has been slain. Killing spree. Your
Grabe
team
na to.
has destroyed a turret.
Ayan, isa pa to. Lagyan ng konti. Mga mage, lagyan ng konti, masakit yan.
Rampage.
Ubus.
Tara, boss!
Charge.
Tara, dito na. Oh, ayan.
Nalo.
Talo pa tayo doon, hindi ka taon. Ito yung masakit ng hero ko.
Victory.
Tapos di ko rin gamay. Nakatapat ko lang sa lane, yung isang araw. Sabi ko, ang sakit ito ha.